The Chippewa Boot Company has been making quality boots in America since 1901. We've built our reputation by using only the best leathers, insulation materials, outsoles, and other quality components in our boots for both long-lasting durability and dependability. Here are 6 important reasons why Chippewa is synonymous with highest quality footwear. First, Chippewa boots uses heavy-duty oiled leathers that are resistant to wear and tear due to the weight or thickness. All of our leathers are 5 to 5.5 ounces in weight with a high level of oil content. Second, we primarily use Vibram outsoles because it's the most respected name in outsoles and is known the world over for highest quality and durability. Third, Chippewa boots uses Goodyear leather welts, not plastic or PVC welts. The leather welt adds to the comfort of the boot by conforming to the shape of the foot. Fourth, Chippewa boots uses solid steel shanks for strength and rigidity, not plastic shanks that can bend or break. Fifth, Chippewa boots does not skimp on its hardware. It's all made from quality materials like brass milled studs. Sixth, we use heavy-duty, long-wearing waxed stay-tied laces that don't break with a small tug. They stand up to the roughest of situations and stay tied all day long due to the wax coating that's applied. Now that you know the type of materials Chippewa uses, let's take a quick factory tour to see how Chippewa boots are made. The process starts here in the cutting department, where the component pieces are cut, sorted, and marked to guide the stitchers when sewing the various pieces together. The quarters are stitched, and the hardware is attached. Here the foxing and hard counter are stitched to the upper. The uppers are now ready for lasting, so let's follow Chippewa's Arctic 50 boot all the way to completion. The Arctic 50 is an insulated waterproof boot. What keeps the water out is the bootie inside the boot. After applying cement to the bootie, heat activates the cement that's been applied to the insole. It's then applied to the bootie prior to lasting. From here, the back quarter of the boot is tacked to the insole to keep the upper from moving or twisting during the lasting process. Once completed, it is sent to the power toe laster. Here, the power toe laster pulls the leather over the toe of the last to give the boot its shape and form. Side lasting is next. With the aid of special pliers, the craftsman pulls the sides of the boot upper and staples it to the rib tape. Once quality inspection is completed, the boots are sent to have the excess leather trimmed off. The next step is inseaming. Here, the leather welt is stitched to the ply rib and upper. After a second station trims additional lasting allowance for a more exact fit, the boots are taken to the heel seat press in order to smooth out any ridges and allow the midsole to go on smoothly. Since these are waterproof boots, we cement the inseam to ensure the integrity of the waterproof bootie that seals out moisture but still allows your foot to breathe. Next, we apply high-quality steel shanks that are rigid and durable for greater support. Foam padding is applied to the bottom of the insoles for added comfort, after which additional cement is applied to the insole to ensure a tight bond with the midsole. Here, the shank wedge and the midsole are applied by activating the cement through heat. As soon as this is done, 350 pounds per square inch of pressure is applied in order to solidly bond the shank wedge and midsole to the welt and bottom of the boots. Excess midsole and shank wedge material is removed before they're sewn to the welt. Stitching the midsole to the welt is what holds the entire boot together. In order to have a perfect bond between the midsole and outsole, we brush the midsole and apply chlorination in order to clean the midsole of all oil and dirt. Using heat to activate the cement, we apply the outsole to the midsole and use the welt and outsole press to bond the outsole tightly to the midsole. Then we trim the outsole and heel excess and start sanding down both for their final finish. The boots are basically finished, so the lasts are pulled and sent to the finishing department in order to clean the boots, add lacing and hang tags before final packing. Now you know why Chippewa Boots has maintained its role as a leader in quality outdoor lifestyle footwear and why it's such a terrific value. It's the best, by far.